Personality types have a significant influence on the way how the consumer behaves. Therefore, from the business point of view, that information can be used to increase click-through rates and consumer engagements with the online advertisement. It is not a very challenging task for a psychologist to prepare a psychological profile of a person, but in the high volume and dynamic online environment, it would be too expensive and slow solution. Discriminant analysis was used to evaluate primary collected data, and the core results show that extroverted, feeling-based decision makers and perception-oriented persons have more frequently an impulsive buying behavior at shopping sessions. Extroverts and intuition-based consumers are more open to the new products. The temptation to buy attractive unplanned products is higher for extroverts, feeling-based decision makers, and perceiving persons. Taking into consideration the fact that nowadays companies have achieved through different customer relationship management programs an increased possibility of connecting the shopping behavior of a customer to its identity and therefore to its personality, the topic of relating personality and consumer behavior represents a top research topic of higher actuality than ever. It is known that the personality of its consumers can determine companies to adjust their strategies according to the typology and sensitiveness of the consumer's category. Moreover, individualized communication means are allowing companies nowadays to segment advertising. There are a few most notable typology models. The first one was published by Carl Jung in 1921 and is the base for all the subsequent influential works on the subject. Jung was one of the first people to define introversion and extroversion in a psychological context. In Jung's psychological types, he theorizes that each person falls into one of two categories, the introvert and the extrovert. The topology model that has gained a lot of popularity is the model proposed by Catherine Cook Briggs and her daughter Isabel Briggs Myers in 1926. Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, or MBTI, uses 4 pairs of dichotomies to describe a person's psychological preference. These dichotomies are extraversion, introversion, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, judging, perceiving. One of the use cases where you can use the consumer's personality type is the one where the service provider can collect a text or collection of texts in the form of comments, analyze the personality type using machine learning models, and then use personalized ads to influence consumers' experience. The most natural environments where that data can be collected are social media or news sites. Once you gather a collection of consumers' texts, send it to the model, and in return get the predictions of the Myers-Briggs dichotomies. The model is also accessible through the website. Paste the text into the text area, press Submit Query button, and in a couple of seconds you'll get the predictions.